Real influence isn't measured by power. It's measured by what still stands long after we've gone. That's where the UAE story with Somaliland begins. For years, the world saw one story: famine, conflict, terrorism, state collapse. The UAE saw potential. Instead of asking who's to blame, UAE asked, how do we help rebuild? Not just with emergency aid, but with schools, hospitals, infrastructure, and long-term investment. Since 2011, the UAE has committed more than 135 million to humanitarian and development projects across Somaliland. Then, in 2022, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan approved another 35 million in emergency assistance as the drought pushed millions into crisis. Yes, feeding people matters, but helping a country stand on its own matters even more. That's the difference between reacting to a crisis and changing the future. So when the UAE leaves, it doesn't leave behind its speeches, it leaves behind its opportunities. And in the end, history doesn't remember who talked the most. It remembers who showed up and made a difference.